Hey Bear, if your Magic Remote isn't working correctly with your LG Smart TV with WebOS 25, here's a hot tip to get it working again. What we need to do first is decouple the remote control from the TV. We do this by pressing and holding two buttons. They are the back button and the home button. So we need to press and hold these together and keep them pressed until you see a message pop up on the TV. Then you can release. The message says remote registration is disconnected. Now we're ready to reconnect the remote control to the TV. To do this, we simply press the OK key. It says registering new remote. And as you can see, the cursor is now on screen. Now, if you're having any problems with pressing and holding and nothing happening, it may be that the batteries themselves have died. So flip the lid down and change for 2 AAA batteries. If you need a hand with that, I have a separate video which you can find on the channel. So let me know what the problem was with your remote, why you had to do this. Give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. And one final thing, have a great day ahead.